Another month, another SIBDIG. This month, my portfolio was in the red. In the red? Sell! I want you to sell your socks off! So this is the end of the financial beanstalk. I've liquidated my portfolio and stuffed all my money under my mattress so it's safe. So long, and thanks for all the fish. On second thought, contrary to popular belief, sometimes stocks do go down. Not stonks, though. But I still believe in the power of the stock market, so I'm just doing the same thing I've done every other month. Investing in companies I believe in, collecting those dividends, reinvesting them back into the portfolio, and continuing to grow this beanstalk. Since I'm not touching this money for years, I really see these red days as just a flash sale.
Huge Black Friday sale.
I truly feel like when this happens and prices get below my average cost, it's the cheapest I'll ever be able to buy them, and since I'm early enough in my investing career, I welcome these red days. So let's get into SIBDIG September. First up, the stocks I bought. On the first, $6.45 of SPHD. On the second, $2.70 of Visa and $1 of Aflac. On the third, $8.29 of Northwest Energy, $10 of Realty Income, and $10 of SCHD. On the 8th, $9 of VYM, $10 of SCHD, and $6 of Proctor Gamble. On the 9th, $3.81 of Johnson & Johnson. On the 11th, $4.76 of Microsoft. On the 14th, $5 of Walgreens and $10 of 3M. On the 15th, $5.13 of Realty Income. On the 16th, $3.22 of Main Street Capital. On the 21st, $8.06 of SPHD, $5 of Northwest Energy, $5 of VYM, $10 of SCHD, $5 of Realty Income, $5 of AT&T, $5 of Walgreens, $5 of Microsoft, and $5 of Apple. If you didn't notice, that was definitely a red day. On the 23rd, $5 of Visa. On the 24th, $5 of VYM. On the 28th, $10 of SCHD. And on the 29th, $5 of Realty Income. So in total, I spent $174.02 on stocks this month. Next up, the dividends I got. On the first, 1 penny from Sirius XM, 7 cents from Gladstone Investments, and $1.20 from SPHD. On the second, 41 cents from Pfizer, 2 cents from Visa, and 29 cents from Aflac. On the 9th, $1.81 from Johnson & Johnson. On the 10th, $1 from Emerson Electric, 12 cents from AGNC, and 64 cents from Microsoft. On the 11th, 48 cents from Walgreens. On the 14th, $3.45 from 3M. On the 15th, $1.20 from Realty Income, 77 cents from Consolidated Edison, and 45 cents from Main Street Capital. On the 17th, 6 cents from PSEC. On the 23rd, 63 cents from SPYD. On the 24th, 86 cents from BYM. On the 28th, $1.23 from SCHD. On the 30th, I got 4 dividend payments from BPY, which is Brookfield Property, and I'll explain why I got 4 dividend payments from one company in a later video. But I got 3 cents, 16 cents, 10 cents, and 4 cents from them. And lastly, from Robinhood, we got 70 cents from Northwest Energy. I also am still holding a few stocks in my Webull account that pay dividends, So over on Webull, on the 10th, we got 87 cents from ExxonMobil. On the 17th, 6 cents from PSEC. On the 18th, 18 cents from MJ, which is a Mary Jane ETF that I own. On the 24th, 71 cents from VYM. And on the 30th, 19 cents from LTC Properties. So in total, I had my biggest month yet, with $17.74 in dividends. I am going to add one little section to SIBDIG, and that's how much I added to my yearly dividend income. So with all the stocks that I bought this month, I added $6.52 per year to my forward dividend income. When I looked up what can $6.52 buy you, I found you can buy a value 3-pack of Crest toothpaste on Walmart.com. So now I can keep these pearly whites. Considering I started this portfolio at $0 in September of last year, it's pretty exciting to see the progress that I've made in that 1 year just by putting my money to work in this dividend portfolio rather than just having it sit in my savings account where it earns a penny every few months in interest. I mean, with that $17.74, I could buy 88.7 20-cent iced coffees. So if you're hesitant to invest because you think the market is uncertain or you're reading a bunch of negative news,
Stop it. Get some help.
you don't have to buy the same things that I'm buying every single month because I'm not a financial advisor, but find some indexes you do like and dollar cost average into them every single month, and your future self will thank you. As you might have noticed now that we're 4 SIBDIGs in, I buy a lot of the same stuff every month. That's because even if there isn't an exciting new company to invest in, I found a few ETFs and companies that I believe in that I'm going to throw my money into regardless of what the market is doing, so I can put it to work, grow my portfolio, and continue to collect those dividends because I do believe the stock market is one of the most powerful wealth building tools, as cliche as that sounds. And if I keep adding money, my portfolio value will just continue to go up, right? The best advice is to KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. Great advice, hurts my feelings every time. So let me know in the comments below how I can make these SIBDIGs more exciting, or if you just like the quick updates. I'll continue to interject tidbits of things I'm learning and things I'm doing with this portfolio, but this month I just wanted to celebrate the simplicity of consistently investing and show how much you can make when you do invest consistently. So YouTube mumbo jumbo that subscribe button, that like button, and that bell notification, and let's continue to grow this beanstalk. Shoo.